Hi guys and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make an Easter lamb. So we have vanilla extract and we've got butter, sugar, a mixing bowl, flour mixed with corn flour mixed with baking powder. And we've also got 2 eggs in here and ground nuts. So now we're going to start. So we've got to put everything in a mixing bowl, just like that. And sugar. Oh, and I forgot to introduce ourselves. I'm Isla and this is Heidi. We are sisters.
You used to be a baby, but now we're bigger.
Well, we have a stream already.
That looks like a stream.
Do this way.
Here.
Now we're gonna mix it. Mix it. Okay. You have a go. You have a go. You have a go. Let's mix our mixing. And we're going to add a few drops of the vanilla extract. That wasn't a few drops. That was a big squidgy, squishy.
That looks like snow.
Now it's my turn, Heidi.
It looks like snow and I want to keep mixing.
Heidi, my turn. You've got to share. Heidi.
This is
Heidi, you've got to share.
snow.
Heidi, you've got to share.
This is snow.
Yes, but you still got to share. Now we're going to grease our tin. You should wash your hands before doing this. We filled our lamb out and we're going to scrape the rest of the batter. Little Miss Hungry's right there. I changed her name to Little Miss Hungry. Every last little drop. And we're going to leave some space. We're not going to fill it in the rim, otherwise it will explode out the oven, into the kitchen, in the garden, in the world. Now our oven is heating up to 160 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, and remember, be careful when putting stuff in hot devices. Be supervised all the time.
These are petals from the tree.
Now we are going to cut the top off. If you don't cut the top off, then you can't stand up your lamb. So we can eat it.
Nom! Yeah.
Okay, that's too much. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, now we're going to decorate.
We after.
Yes, I know, you've all been waiting for this moment.
We're fairies. To make her field rainbow that she always wanted her field rainbow. Oopsie.
Yeah, the ears are really long.
Some slime